Asthma or bronchial asthma is a very common disease affecting people all across the world. And it is very important that every patient of asthma should know about homeopathy as an option. In today's world of information technology, it will be considered ignorance if you do not know that homeopathy also has a big role to play to help control your disease, which is otherwise a lifelong disease. Asthma affects almost 10% of the world population. In this video, we'll talk about asthma affecting the adults. Asthma is essentially an immunological disease, which is manifested at the respiratory level. What I mean by that is that it is because of the inherent tendency of the human body to overreact to certain stimuli or external agents or internal agents within the body. One develops a kind of a reaction which is leading to a bronchospasm or a spasm of the respiratory tract. And that leads to cough and breathlessness essentially, and that is bronchial asthma. Now, everybody nowadays knows that bronchial asthma can be treated by using the inhaler or the puff, which is of course a great symptomatic relief. However, one must also know that the use of such inhalers or puff, which is nothing but the use of corticosteroids and certain bronchodilators, certain chemicals. And these medicines can immediately have antispasmodic effect on the bronchioles, but these effects are temporary, and as a result, the patient may have to keep taking the inhaler over and again. Which could be once or twice in a day to maybe once in a week, or depending on the patient's requirement. So these bronchodilators, though they are very useful, they do not cure bronchial asthma. It just gives symptomatic relief as long as you are taking the medicines. So you also require some other therapy for every case of bronchial asthma, which can help you to reduce the frequency of episodes of such spasm or wheezing or cough and breathlessness. It is very important. The medicine should be also used to see that the frequent attacks of such episodes, they are shorter lasting. The duration should become less, the frequency should become less, and eventually the drug dependency should become less. So homeopathy comes here in the picture, and homeopathic medicines, if taken along with the conventional medicine, it can definitely help patients to reduce the frequency of episodes of bronchial asthma. It can help you to reduce the duration of episodes. It can help you to reduce the severity of episodes, and it can also help you reduce the drug dependency of the medicines, which otherwise is for many years. So every case of bronchial asthma, every patient of bronchial asthma should know that homeopathy is an alternative, and it has to be complemented along with the conventional therapy in most of the cases. Of course, many cases can be helped only with homeopathy as well. But if you want to club both these medicines together, you may have additional benefit. And this information is extremely useful, and I hope this video will help patients suffering with bronchial asthma. Thank you so much.